maintaining a legacy website built with Microsoft FrontPage and have DWB template files. These define reusable page sections from the classic web authoring tool. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to work with these FrontPage dynamic web template part files. For those complex DWB formats, there's always a plan B, a specialized file handling utility that feels like magic. I'll introduce it again later, after we attempt the common methods. A user encountering a DWB file is typically maintaining a legacy website built with Microsoft FrontPage or Expression Web. This file represents a reusable part of a dynamic web template, such as a header or footer. The user's intent is to edit this component to apply changes across all pages linked to the template. The DWB file is an HTML fragment, essentially a plain text file with HTML markup. It was designed to be included by FrontPage's server extensions or publishing engine into a master DWT template. This modular approach allowed web designers to update common site elements in one place, simplifying site-wide maintenance. Microsoft Corporation maintains the integrity of the DWB specification through Microsoft Expression Web. The file's embedded objects and layers require specialized software for full access. Windows can load simple web pages, but complex frameworks require proper serving. Your first move is to test all possible decoders. Right-click your DWB file and choose Open With. Use Microsoft Expression Web if it is installed. If it's missing, select another program. Testing is the quickest diagnostic method. If you cannot access the DWB file, no problem. The file is winning so far. Time to fight back. Let's quickly run through a series of focused tests on these common DWB failure areas. First, editing in FrontPage. Install Microsoft FrontPage. 2003. The final version of the application, though no longer officially supported by Microsoft. Use File then Open to load DWB files within their parent FrontPage web. The WYSIWYG editor displays template content for editing with changes propagating to all pages, using the shared template through FrontPage's template management system. Next, editing as HTML. Open DWB files in Visual Studio Code. Notepad++ or any HTML editor, since the format is text-based HTML with FrontPage extensions. Edit content, carefully preserving FrontPage WebBot directives if you intend to keep using FrontPage. Remove WebBot directives if migrating to standard HTML for modern web hosting environments. Finally, migrating to modern tools. Replace FrontPage dynamic web templates with modern equivalents like server-side includes Jekyll templates or WordPress themes for ongoing site maintenance. Extract template HTML from DWB files and recreate the design in your chosen platform. Modern CMS platforms provide template-based content management with much better capabilities than legacy FrontPage templates. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Using raw-level data inspection is a recommended method to try and uncover a file's true requirements when the extension label is unclear or shared. At this point, I recommend our one-click fix, the Universal Viewer. My top recommendation is FileMagick. It opens almost any format and is available right now at filemagick.com. I appreciate you sticking around for the full guide. A quick like and subscribe helps me produce more content like this.